Hi, thanks for joining me on my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this lovely chocolate Pickney and her hairstyle. If you're interested in finding how I created this look, kindly keep watching. Are you ready? Now let's jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to be doing is sectioning the hair into three big sections. So the first one is a part from one ear across the top of the head or across the crown of the head onto the other ear. Just like this. I'm going to braid that section and tuck it away because I'm not quite ready to style it. The next section is going to be apart from the top of one ear, but this time I'm going across the back of the head to the other ear. I'm applying some edge control because it helps to keep the parting cleaner. So if you're having problems with parting, just put a dab of product on it and it will part it so much better, right? So, wow, I jumped right into that one. I did another section at the bottom, this time vertically. So I have two halves at the bottom and I'm going to do the same thing at the top. For this hairstyle, I'm trying to be even on both sides because symmetry makes the hairstyle even more beautiful. So now I have three jumbo sections, but the two sections at the back, I divided them into two halves vertically. Now onto the styling. Well, almost. I am starting apart from the center of the intersection and I'm going outwards to the back of the ear. But this is going to be even on both sides. So I part that section in half and I try to make it as even as possible. I'm going to whip this one away and tuck it up at the top because I'm going to start braiding with this loose section first. Another parting, just the last one. I'm starting from the point in the middle and I'm coming down diagonally. I'm trying to make it as even as possible. Now these are my first two braiding sections. I'm going to do a horizontal part across these sections because that is where my crisscross will be created. Now you have to make them run straight cross, right? Remember, make them run straight cross because you know we don't want no lean road. So I have four sections now. I'm going to pin away the top left section and I'm going to pin away the bottom right section because I'm going to create my crease. Remember, we're doing crisscross right now. So I'm going to start by braiding that section and I'm going to bring it across to the other section on the opposite side. So here we go, braiding downwards, and I'm going to stop at the horizontal part right there. And then I'm going to bring that cornrow across by plaiting it just maybe 3 plaits, and then I'm going to add it to that loose section and cornrow down. So we're creating crisscross and this is the crease. The next one will be the cross. This hairstyle is very easy because we'll be repeating the same step. The only thing you need to do to make it, you know, extra cute is to be consistent with the sizes and the sections. Now I'm going to do cross now. I'm braiding it downwards and then I'm going to go across to the opposite side and join it. Now try not to pull on the hair when you're braiding it because it can create a little tension for the Pickney. Now this is our first crisscross. I'm going to be repeating this step for this section that I'm holding. So again, I part it in half. But this time around, I'm going to continue that horizontal section from the first set of braids. Right there, I'm going to continue. Yeah, you can't just part the horizontal section anywhere. You have to continue it from the first section to the second section. So let's do this again. I'm gonna cornrow the top left portion, bring it down to the horizontal parting, or what should I say, the crossroad, and then I'm going to go across to the opposite side and join it. Now this is my crease. I'm sorry, she was paying attention to something else, so that's why her head is like that. So it's time to do the cross because I just did the crease. I am going to braid the top right section down to the horizontal part, and then I'm going to stop at the horizontal part, plait it a little bit, and then I'm going to connect it to the opposite side. Now, as I've mentioned before, this is a very easy hairstyle. It's intricate but easy because we'll be repeating the one step that started out the first criss-cross. You continue to repeat it until the entire back section of the head is done. I don't think I need to continue talking because this video might be somewhat self-explanatory after this. So just continue watching. Please don't go. Stay with me.
Now it's all done. The back is all done and I think it looks beautiful. What do you think? Leave a comment and let me know how much you give me for this hairstyle. Like, grade me out of 10. Like, how much would I get out of 10 for this hairstyle? I need to know, like, what you think of this hairstyle. Okay, so I'm moving on to the front. The front is just gonna be same crisscross pattern, however it's not gonna be as intricate as the back. So I'm just gonna do some, you know, crisscross. You know how to do crisscross by now. Even if you didn't know when you started watching this video, after watching the back section, you should know by now how to do crisscross. So I'm just gonna stop talking right now so you can enjoy the rest of the video. I'll meet you at the end. I am back. Okay, this is as much as you're gonna see for the front section of the hair because my phone went out without my knowledge and I did not acknowledge that until I was done the entire section of the front. So this is as much as you're gonna see with me braiding it. However, this is the end product. This is what it looks like. I'm adding some beads to the ends to make it a little cuter. She was like, oh, how did you do that so quickly? But anyway, leave a comment and let me know what you think of this hairstyle. If you like it, give a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you're interested in more hairstyle, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you may know when I post another interesting and intricate hairstyle. Thanks again for watching. It's a pleasure. It's always a pleasure to have you on my channel. Look at her. She likes her hairstyle. She is so happy to see herself looking so cute.
I have other interesting hairstyle on this channel, so just in case you haven't seen them, I'm gonna leave 2 right here so you can click and enjoy. Bye.